Hello everyone! In this mini course you will create your own token on the Alephium blockchain. You can use this token to teach your kids financial literacy by creating a wallet for them and issuing tokens. Someone might want to create a token in memory of something, someone for fun, and someone out of curiosity to understand how it works. Someone might install the Alephium wallet for their parents, friends or colleagues and issue a token for them, so they can learn how to use cryptocurrency. You don't need to know programming, but you will do it like a real programmer. If you encounter any errors or something isn't clear, feel free to write in the Telegram chat that I created specifically for this. Let's get started. First, we need to download and install everything necessary. That's Docker, Node.js, and any code editor. I choose VS Code, but actually even the regular Windows Notepad would suffice. Let's start with installing Docker. Go to the official Docker website, docker.com, download and run the installation file, and install Docker. During the installation, Docker will offer to install WSL. Agree to install. Docker might also suggest restarting your computer. Do that and continue following the video. After installation, launch Docker. Registration is not required, so you can just click skip. After launching, Docker might require installing something else necessary. Agree to it. Docker is installed. Now moving on to installing Node.js. Go to the website node.js.org. Download and run the Node.js installation file and install it on your computer. Restart your computer. The last program to install is a code editor. I choose VS Code. You can download and install it too. Also, for creating a token in this mini course, even the built-in Windows Notepad would be enough. And the last thing we need to do is allow Windows to run Node.js scripts, because by default in Windows this is restricted. Open the terminal and run the command node version. If the terminal responds with the version, that means Node.js is installed. You can type all these commands manually, but I also wrote all these commands in my group that I created when making this mini course. Next, run the command npm version. Most likely you will get an error here because in Windows script execution is forbidden by default. You will get the same error when running the command npx version for the same reason. Don't worry, it's not really an error, everything's fine. We just need to allow Windows to run Node.js scripts. Let's check if Windows allows running scripts. Run the command Get-ExecutionPolicy. If the terminal responds with restricted, that means script execution is forbidden. And we need to set the mode to RemoteSigned instead of restricted. Let's allow script execution. Run the command Set-ExecutionPolicy, scope, CurrentUser, execution policy, RemoteSigned. And now If you run the commands that previously caused errors, those commands will execute successfully. If after completing this mini course you want to revert the settings, that is, forbidden scripts execution again, just run the same command but with restricted at the end. As you can see, after returning to restricted mode, everything is back to how it was, and script execution is forbidden. But for creating the token, we will need to run scripts, so I will allow script execution again. I will check that script's execution is allowed with the command npx version. The terminal responded with the version number. Great, everything works. Congratulations! The preparation is complete. In the next video you will create your first token. It will appear right in your wallet, and you can do whatever you want with it. See you in the next video.